In the contemporary educational landscape, institutions are tasked with the dual challenge of creating versatile learning environments while managing costs effectively. TSplus Remote Access offers an innovative solution, granting educators and students seamless, secure access to essential applications and resources from any device. Real-world applications in education. Online learning environments. TSplus facilitates robust online learning by providing access to course materials, specialized software, and communication tools. Students can engage effectively with their studies regardless of location. Virtual computer labs. Gone are the days of limited access to specialized software. Students can now remotely operate programs like AutoCAD or MATLAB, typically confined to physical computer labs. This feature particularly benefits technical and design-oriented courses. Digital library access. With TSplus, the entire academic library goes digital. Students and faculty gain seamless access to databases, academic journals, and research materials, ensuring that knowledge is always at their fingertips. Remote administrative tasks. Educators and staff can access gradebooks, student information systems, and other essential tools from anywhere, enhancing administrative efficiency and flexibility. Transition from physical to virtual. By enabling a shift from physical computer labs to virtual access, institutions can significantly reduce infrastructure costs and maintenance, allowing for more efficient use of resources and space. Key benefits: device-agnostic access. Access critical applications from any device anywhere, promoting a flexible learning environment. Enhanced security. Ensure student data privacy with encrypted connections, even when accessing resources off campus. Cost efficiency. Maximize budget allocation by reducing on-site IT infrastructure and licensing costs. Remote printing. Print documents effortlessly to the nearest printer regardless of location. Multi-user collaboration. Support for over 50 concurrent sessions per server enables seamless group projects and interactive learning. Customizable Web Portal. Create a branded portal for easy navigation to essential applications, tools, and files. Empowering education without boundaries. TSplus Remote Access is transforming the educational experience by breaking down traditional barriers. It offers a scalable, secure, and cost-effective model that adapts to institutions of all sizes, from small schools to large universities. By adopting TSplus Remote Access, educational institutions are taking a significant step towards a more flexible, accessible, and modern approach to learning. It's a concrete response to the evolving needs of education in the digital era, where learning knows no boundaries. Ready to revolutionize your educational approach? Experience the power of TSplus Remote Access for yourself. Start your free 15-day trial today and discover how it can transform your institution's learning environment. All features included, no credit card required. Start your free trial. Join over 500,000 companies worldwide who trust TSplus for their remote access needs. With top ratings across multiple platforms, TSplus is your reliable partner in educational innovation.
Master TSplus Remote Access like a pro. Start your free training and certification today.